So jumping right into this video, I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I have my hair in 4 sections, and right now I'm just going to take one of the sections out of the 4 and then make that into another section and get ready to prep my hair before I start my twist. I can't touch, I can't rush into your. So I'm only going to be using one product today for this twist out, and it's from Cream of Nature. It's a leave-in conditioner. I really love this stuff. And I'm just going to take a few pumps of that and spray it into my hand and smooth it through my hair and make sure I really get it into the sections. And I'm also going to take my spray bottle and just add some more water to my hair, just so, you know, when I'm detangling it, it's more easy to manage. I'm using this detangler brush from Dollar Tree to detangle my hair. It's just going to help me to smooth out my hair before I start my twist. For the first twist, I'm not doing anything special. I'm just gonna take the twist and we'll take my hair and just twist downward and just keep going. As I'm twisting, I'm also gonna be taking the detangle brush and just smoothing out my hair if need be. And when I get towards the end, I just take my finger and twirl into a little curl. And I do want to mention that I did later on go back and make this twist into 2 just because I felt like it was a little bit too thick and I did want a smaller defined twist out. So I'm going to continue doing the same method around my head and to speed through that process and let you guys see. But yeah, I kind of want to start going back to doing natural hairstyles and kind of wearing my own hair, since I said I wanted to give wigs a break a little bit, and I thought, why not do a twist out? It's been a while, and I hope this comes out the way I want to, but yeah. And as you can see, I have like a little frizz going on, but I really didn't want to use any gel. I know usually for twist out, braid out, people use gel. I've used gel before, but I didn't want to put so much product on my hair. That's why I decided to use one thing, which was my leave-in conditioner, which is pretty creamy, and then water. And this is basically what the back is looking like so far. I did do free parting, so it's okay because no one's gonna see this once the hairstyle is done. So now I'm at the front of my hair and I'm gonna do my last twist, and I'm gonna repeat the same process that I've been repeating basically all over my head. Spritzing it up with some water because my hair is drying a little bit as I was going. I'm gonna put in my leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to detangle it with the detangling brush and then twist it. Also, I just wanted to mention, I don't know if I can consider this a protective style, but I know it's a natural hairstyle, and I still am taking a break right now from wigs, so I tried to figure out what I wanted to do to my hair. I initially was going to straighten it at first, but then I'm just like, let me not put any heat right now. I did good with 3 weeks of my braids, and now I'm just like, let me just try something else. I know for sure that this twist out is not gonna last my hair, because usually when I've done twist outs and braid outs in the past, they don't last. I honestly don't know how to keep up with them. Because my hair does tend to shrink even though it's winter, and any kind of humidity when I walk outside of my house of any sorts of weather, it's gonna poof up. So I know for sure this is only probably gonna last me maybe 2 days max. 3 days you can try to stretch it, but I'm having this in a ponytail probably tomorrow. But I just wanted to show you guys how I do my twist outs, and I also wanted to do a natural video because it's been a while. And as you can see, I'm just over it because this takes so long to twist my hair, but the outcome will be worth it. Finally finished, and this is what the twists are looking like. I love how they feel. My hair is so bouncy. It feels moisturized, and I've only used one product, which is my leave-in conditioner. So it's the next day now, and I'm going to unwrap my hair and show you guys what it's looking like. It is flat, obviously, because I slept on it, but it's still bouncy. I love how my hair feels. It's so lightweight. I'm going to be using this coconut oil to unravel my hair. This is my choice of oil because I like how it's also lightweight and it's not going to be as heavy or greasy on my hair. I'm going to pin up my hair, and then I started having a moment because, sis, that's a look though. That's cute. Now, but back to the video. So I'm going to start off with the back of my hair first. And I'm just going to take the tips of my finger and dip it into the coconut oil. And I'm going to smooth it along my twist and unravel. And the way I'm going to unravel is I'm going to twist my hair the opposite way of how I twisted it. And then I'm going to unravel it the way I twisted it going up. If that makes sense. If not, just watch the video. And I'm just going to repeat the same process over my head until all of the twists are out. And then we're going to start fluffing and styling my hair. Now I'm unraveling the last twist in the front, and now I'm going to start just taking some of the twist, well, they're not twists anymore, taking pieces of my hair and just basically parting them. I'm not going to part all of them like too much, just because I don't want too much of a fluffy, like a frizzy look. I do want some of the curls of the twist in my hair, so I'm going to stretch and lightly pull where it feels natural, where it wants to split, and I'm going to keep doing that along my hair. And then I'm going to take my pick, and I'm just going to pick from under just to make it a little fuller. I love full hair, I love volume, so I'm going to do that until I get it to my liking.
I think about you all the time. You always roam my mind. I lose myself just thinking you're still there. I know that you still care, just not a breath in my head. I can't feel, I can't touch, I can't rush into your arms. I'm out of your heart.
I really wasn't filming the back of my hair, but I was just still trying to pick it out and make it, you know, look nice. But I was loving the front. As you can see, this is what the front side looks like. And here's the final look. I love how this came out for what it is. I know it's not gonna last, but I want to take in the moment. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're not already. Until next time.
Rest your head, lay your head.